Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will draw an interesting design of a Rakhi. Start with drawing a circle. Draw a larger circle around it. Add some petals shape around the larger circle. Next, draw the strings which we use to tie around wrist. After that, draw the design inside the Rakhi. Make the strokes in a flow. After that, draw one more Rakhi which will be smaller in size. Use the same process as before. While drawing these designs, shapes play a major role in it and the composition of the shapes. If you see the petals around the first Rakhi, make it look like a flower, and the triangles around the second Rakhi make it look like the sun. Once you are done with the designs, let's start with the coloring. We believe you are enjoying the video. Don't forget to like the video. As the first Rakhi looks like a flower, we will use various colors to be seen flowers. We believe you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe for more such content. It is very important that you choose various colors to color the it make the sketch look more vibrant and cohesive. If you want, you can choose different colors of your own. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. We upload tutorial every Saturday and Sunday. Blend the colors to make the designs more lively. As the second design looks like the sun, we will use the same colors which we see in the sun. If the color gets out of the outline, once you are done with coloring, you can redraw the outline, which will make the design more bold and finished. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.